Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's find the solution to cover and conceal dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation and under-eye dark circles using very minimal products. This is going to be a simple everyday kind of look where we can try and achieve flawless natural looking skin easily. Please keep watching the full video. I have mentioned many bonus tips in every step to cover the dark spots like a pro. Without any delay, let's get started. First and foremost, I am prepping my skin with Smashbox Primer Water. This not only preps my skin but also hydrates it for the upcoming makeup. To give it a little more extra boost of hydration, I am using Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer and massaging it thoroughly on my face. Please do not skip moisturizing even if your skin is acne prone or oily. Every skin type needs its portion of hydration no matter what. Next step is hero of hiding the dark spots, which is an orange corrector. It evens out the skin from blemishes and brings back even tone to the face. I am using Makeup Revolution's orange corrector here. Blending it nicely using a beauty blender. Blend, blend, blend. Always remember, blend is our friend in makeup game. Now let's use concealer to cover all the uneven area in the face. I am using MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer here. The bonus tip number 1 is use a Longwear full coverage concealer to cover your problematic areas. Thereby the makeup will last long as well as you will get full coverage from the blemishes. Next up is the foundation. I am using MAC's Pro Longwear foundation here. Bonus tip number 2 is always try and use a concealer and foundation from the same brand and the range to achieve the flawless finish. Try it and see, it makes lot of difference to our makeup game. Setting everything in place using a loose powder. This is from Makeup Revolution. Bonus tip number 3. As we have used full coverage concealer and foundation, we can use a loose powder to set everything in place for everyday kind of look. Otherwise, on special days, you can go ahead and use a compact for long lasting results. Using very little bronzer to bring dimension to the face, I am using the Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder. Applying a pink blush for adding little color to the face. The blush is also from Estee Lauder. This brings us to the bonus tip number 4. If you got the problem of open pores, always use matte blush without any shimmer in it. Otherwise, the shimmer in the blush is gonna sit in your pores and enhance the appearance of it, which none of us want. Our base is done, right? You can very well see that I have covered the appearance of black spots, blemishes, hyperpigmentation without getting a cakey look on my face. Now let's finish the look by doing the brows. Because no look is done without doing the brows. I am using Miniso's eyebrow pencil to fill in the sparse areas. I am using a clear mascara from Wet n Wild to give it a natural look. Bonus tip number 5. Clear mascara is another product which will change our makeup game. Run 1 or 2 strokes after you have done your brows. It instantly looks so natural. Try it and thank me later. I am using a mild peachy eyeshadow from MAC's Flamboyant palette. Just open up my eyes, using the same color near my lower lid as well. Applying loads of mascara by Maybelline for getting the look of nice and big eyes. Bonus tip number 6. Use a waterproof mascara in the lower lashes because lower lid has a tendency to stay moist all the time. By mistake, if the mascara smudges out of place, the waterproof ones will save us from embarrassments. Last but not the least, I am applying some peachy liquid lipstick from Lakme. I am blending it using my fingers for a base coverage. Now I am using an everyday kind of color from Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy range. Yeah, this completes my simple everyday kind of look covering all black spots, brown spots, hyperpigmentation, blemishes and under eye dark circles using very minimal products, therefore not getting a kicky look. I hope all the bonus tip of mine is of some use to you all. Try it and you'll be amazed with the results. If you have any other queries, please mention it in the comment section. I'll answer them all. Please press the like button if you like this video and share it with your friend circle in the WhatsApp groups. Press the red color subscribe button and press all bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. I have mentioned the link of my videos in the subscription box below. Watch it all, it's about beauty, travel and fashion. Also mention in the comment section if you want me to make a video of any particular topic. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye guys.